If you are wondering if we have AI features on the Nothing phone for A, then the answer is yes. We have a couple of tools, AI tools that are provided by Google and Nothing. So in the case of Google, we have, for example, Gemini and Circle to Search, which is now a standard for latest smartphones. And as for Nothing AI features, if you open settings on your phone, then over here we can go to Intelligence Toolkit. And over here we can go to, for example, AI usage in order to see AI models that are used on your phone throughout your day or weeks. There is also the Essential Space, of course, which allows you to create quick screenshots. You can create voice memos, and then we can also use AI in order to analyze our content that we created in Essential Space to have a quick access and summary of our content. There's also the Essential Key settings, which we can of course adjust because the Essential Key is mainly used to activate the Essential Space over here. We have the Wallpaper Studio, so you can generate a wallpaper based on one of the selected prompts. So we have two categories that we can manage, and then based on these two categories we can generate a wallpaper, AI wallpaper. There is the Essential News widget, so we can use Essential News widget in order to get AI-curated audio briefings via voice synthesis with interactive retro interface. We have ChatGPT widget and ChatGPT interaction, so this is pretty much something like built-in ChatGPT, which you can of course use on your phone as well. Besides that, if we go, for example, to Gallery, then in here we can find a couple of AI tools for inside the editor. Like, for example, actually I do have to download AI models, but here we can find like reflection, pedestrians, and cleanup option. So of course it is worth using these features over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.